Good evening. Abdurrauf is here. This is the oral advice to solve problem and reach the final decision regarding the partnership business in Australia. In this advice, I would like to discuss some matters regarding the partnership business. Among these matters, firstly, I'd like to tell how partnership is formed. A business partnership is an agreement between two or more people, express or implied, to conduct a certain business activities. The parties to a partnership may be individuals, corporations, and even the other partners. It is given by the Australian Business Registration Authority for the free upon the application. The Australian business number is mandatory for every business in Australia. The next task is to apply for the business name. Getting a business name cost 35 to $82 depending on the maturity. For 1 year validity, the expenditure is 35. Partnership business has no further legal expenses to start a business. Secondly, I prefer the written agreement because the written agreement is one of the most important and fruitful thing for the partnership business. The ideal time for the partners to enter into a partnership agreement is when the company is formed. This is the best time to ensure that the owners shares a common understanding of the expectations of each other and the business. The longer the partners wait to draft the agreement, the more opinions will diverge on how the company should run and who is responsible for that. The putting an agreement in a place once it can reduce the fractions disagreement later by helping dissolve the dispute when they do arise. Written agreements are important to these issues when there arise a conflict among the partners. It can be used as evidence that time even matters go to the courts. So written agreements can play an effective role for the fair judgment. No one can take extra advantage of others. For all these reasons, I recommended the written agreement. Um, the, the other matter is the distribution of the profit and losses in the partnership is one of the most important issues in this business. In the partnership business, you can split the profits any way you want. If the partners is an agreement, you could split the profit equally, or each partner could receive the different base salary, split remaining profit. The other matter is to go get profit and loss according to the ratio. The general partnership, where all the partners have equal rights and duties. The limited partnership, where the general partners have board rights and duties and limited partners have restricted rights and duties. The last question related to the partnership business in Australia, uh, the matter is the dissolution of the partnership business and the priority of the payment in case of the dissolution. I'll consider some matters regarding the dissolution. The partnership can be dissolved in many cases. First of all, if the partners violate the agreement, for example, if a partners are bankrupt or partner died or do something which is against the agreement, the partnership may be dissolved. The other thing is order from the court. If the court declared the business to be closed, then the partnership may be dissolved. According to the section 48, the Partnership Act 1958, the debtors, the deficiencies, all the losses will be paid from the profit of the company. This assets of fund will be paid for the debt in where the partners are not related directly. Rest of the profits and the existing capital and the assets will be distributed to the partners according to their ratio. Hopefully, I have clarified all the solution and the course and the solution of the question, and expecting all the provided information will be helpful. Thanks everyone.